a new day and a new trek. So today we are trekking Nane Ghat and Jivdan. It should take us around 2.5 hours to 3 hours to reach Nane Ghat. We would then camp there for the night, and tomorrow morning we would be doing Jivdan. अबे सच में थक गया
वाट लावली या लोकांनी लोकांनी वाट लगा दिया कोई सिगरेट स्मोक करके आया था
चालेल एक नंबर चालेल चालेल After reaching Nane Ghat in the afternoon, we had some snacks and scouted for our campsite. Soon it was evening, and after having a hot cup of tea, we set off to see the beautiful sunset amidst the various peaks that surrounded us. Today is day 2 of the hike from Nane Ghat to Jivdan. So behind me you can see Jivdan over there. So we would be going there today. It should take us roughly around 1.5 hours to 2 hours to reach there on the top. We will be going by Kalyan Darwaza. It has two routes, one is Kalyan Darwaza and one is Junnat Darwaza. But we would be going via Kalyan Darwaza. There are even hotels where you can stay in the night if you don't have a tent. So you can see one behind me over here. Similarly, there is one ahead over there. So there are few hotels as well. So yeah, it's a good place to camp. A little windy, but quite good to camp over here. it's around 1:30 right now, and we are going to start our descent back again from Kalyan Darwaza. Lot to see on this fort. It took us almost more than an hour and a half to explore the whole thing. We seen the Junnar Darwaza and the granary, etc. And there are tanks all over, so it's a good place to come and visit. So hope you like the entire vlog. We would now descend to Naneghat, and then again would have a lunch over there and then descend Naneghat all the way. So hope you like the vlog. Do like, comment and subscribe.